All right, so I got the Cusco front power brace installed, as well as the, I'm not sure what it's called, but the middle power brace, I guess you'd say. There's my PRL, rear motor mount looking good still. And then I also did these spoon rigid collars while I was in there. You got that one. There's one right there. There's one. It's up underneath that bolt right there. Up there underneath. And then there's also one that goes, gets sandwiched in there. Wasn't too bad to do. Helps being up off the ground. See them, but there's a good shot from underneath. And then I also did the upper strut tower bar, and I did some purple haze strut nuts from ProBolt. I also have here the rear power brace, as well as a set of rear spoon rigid collars. Probably not going to do those until I do the exhaust, just because I don't feel like tearing apart the back end twice, because the exhaust needs to be popped off the hangers in order to get the rear power brace in. I also purchased a low temp thermostat, but I'm gonna wait till I get the Acuity hoses. And then these are the interior door cup red LED lights, as well as the mat pockets. So looking forward to getting those installed too, but wait until I get some Dynamat for the inside of the doors before I tear the panels off, because I don't want to tear the panels off twice. One more fun thing, I guess. I got the purple haze titanium bolts for the air box, as well as the inlet pipe. And I did a couple of random ones up here. There's one there, and then there's another one down there at the bottom. And then, oh, blue Acuity oil cap. And then I also got these ones for the under tray, because I hate these Phillips, and I stripped one of them, and they strip really easy. To do this, I just got a ProBolt thread gauge, and then you can order all different kinds of size bolts. So I like to pull them out, measure them up, and order fun titanium. And you know, they got multiple colors, but I like the purple haze personally to go on the Boost Blue. Thanks for watching.